this video, I'll build a simple support ticket tracker in Google Sheets, IDs, owners, due dates, statuses, and overdue auto highlighting. We'll start with just a single table with the headers that I have right here on the screen: ticket ID, customer, issue summary, priority, owner, open date, due date, status, and any notes you want to add. I like to go ahead and make the first row bold so that way we know it's the headers. Now that that's set up, we'll go ahead and add drop downs to two columns. The first one's going to be priority. We'll just do the first few. Oops, data validation. There we go. And we'll click add a rule, and we'll add drop down. We'll do criteria drop down, and the first one will be low, medium. Then we'll add another item for high. And that's it for column D, priority. We'll do the same thing for status. We'll go down, get the same amount of rows, and we'll click add a new rule. We want the drop down again. First option is going to be open. Second option will be in progress. We'll add another one for a third one, and this will be resolved. At that point, we'll hit done. Now that those are done, we'll look at column A, the ticket ID, and we want to go ahead and put a formula in there so make sure that there's no duplication of ticket IDs, and it adds a little bit of organization. I already have the formula in there, and it's just looking at column B, if it's populated or not, and if it is, it'll populate a ticket number. If it is, it'll be blank. So a little example, and you'll see it creates the ticket number. When you drag it down, it just keeps a running count, so that way you won't have any duplicate ticket numbers. So the last thing we'll do is add the conditional formatting so that if the ticket goes up past 2, it'll come back and show as red. So we'll start at A2 and we'll highlight all our full table. Format, conditional formatting. We'll go ahead and pops up for it as another rule. We'll create a custom formula. There we go. Black text, red font, red fill. That'll work perfect. We'll go to done. And now we'll do a sample one for you. Customer A. The owner will be company A. We opened it on 11/21 or 11/1/25, and say it was due on 11/30/2025. And you see now it's going to go ahead and be, when you come back in here, it's going to be highlighted. If you hit resolved, it'll go away. If you hit open, it'll pop back up. And if we, for whatever reason, have to extend the due date to say the end of this month or the end of the following month, you go ahead and do that, and it'll flip back to not showing past due. So that's it. It's very simple. If you like what you see, comment support, and I'll send the template over right to you. Thanks for listening.